Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? And hopefully the lighting is not too horrible, but we just had us on the East Coast this wonderful, what they calling it, bomb genesis, cyclopic storm, blizzard, whatever. I mean, it's a lot of snow, and it's a blizzard because of the winds and stuff, but apparently it was like a hurricane like snowstorm or something, whatever, some kind of new crap. You know, meteorologists love them, but y'all be coming up with some crazy stuff. Anyway, so this is supposed to be some kind of new different type of storm. But anyway, so we got anywhere from probably, you know, 4, I don't think anybody got less than 4 to, you know, 10 inches was the average, and then you got your wind drifts, you know, more than that. So of course flights and everything are canceled, and I am supposed to be flying out today. All the airports were canceled yesterday, so today they canceled. I mean, they're not canceled, they're flying today. But I am gonna have to take a lift because I am not out there because our temperature is down in the single digits, and we're gonna be staying out for like 4 days. So school and work and everything, everybody's been off for the last few days, and it's hilarious when we get snow here because, you know, the grocery store looks like Black Friday and it's just drama. But anyway, so you know, they're anticipating we're not going to get any warmth, at least like 40 degrees until Monday. So, and I'll be flying back in. So I'm going to fly out, but I want to do a quick video. I was making some stuff, playing around in the snow because I'm stranded in the house. So I was making some additional wedding gifts for my friends. Not everything didn't turn out the way I wanted, but that's okay. I'm just going to show you, anyway, what I made, just to give you some ideas. If somebody want to make some quick stuff with vinyl. So I was just in here, you know, you sit in the house for a couple of days, stranded. Nothing else to do. Thank God my electricity didn't go out because a lot of my friends' electricity did. But I'm further enough in from the coast that it didn't. Anyway, so this first one is a frame that I got from Michael's. One of my girlfriends that's getting married. I mentioned her before last year on one of my videos when I said that 2 of my girlfriends called me saying that one lost a sister and one lost a daughter. And she's the one who lost her sister. So a year later, she's getting married. She lost her sister and her brother in the same year, and her grandmother. So it's been a horrible, horrible year for her. But all within the same 12 months, she also found Mr. Right, and they're getting married. And so this is one of the things that I was playing around, I made for her, and it turned out crooked, but that's okay. But I'm still going to show you because I just want to give you some ideas. And again, this was just me playing around, and can make a better version later. But anyway, I got this frame because Michael's had their frames. This is the nice 11 by 17 frame. I forgot the name of the brand. They had them 50% off, so it was like a $35 frame, and I got it for $17.50. So I just used some vinyl. Now I'm going to go to New York because the wedding's in New York, and they both live in New York. She is from Queens and he's from Brooklyn. So the wedding, the reception, everything is going to be surrounded around Brooklyn and Queens. So I was just making some jokes about that. So this is their little crest that you see a lot of people do when they get married, the family crest. So they had another hashtag. But anyway, this hashtag says Brooklyn meets Queens. You probably can't see the glare. And again, I'm sorry, we have snow glare outside. So yeah, the lighting is horrible. I hate it because when it snows, you just cannot get good lighting. I open the blinds, close the blinds. It's horrible. So anyway, that's what that says right there. Brooklyn meets Queens, and her last name is going to be with an E. And this little crest, all this was Design Space. This says Terrence, and this says Jennifer. And this is established date. It's 1/7/18. And it's crooked. But I still want to show it to you because I just want to show you. People make mistakes, but one of the things you do when you want to do this in Design Space is to do it in reverse. Now you can put all of these on the inside of the glass so that you can wash this off. You can put on the outside, then you wouldn't have to do the reverse of it if you put on the outside, but then you can't wash it off or wipe it off if it gets dusty, unless you have another piece of glass or something on the top of it. But I did on the back, and this white in the background is just the flip side of that piece of paper that comes inside of your frame when you first get it, because if I took that out, it has a cork in the background. And I wasn't thinking when I got this frame, I liked it because it was heavy, and I didn't pay attention to the fact that I wanted a floating glass that you could see clearly through so that you could just see the emblem, the crest, without seeing the back. So I didn't actually pick out the right frame for that. So if you decide to do something like this, make sure you pick out the right type of frame if you don't want the back, because to me, I would have preferred to have this see-through, just glass. But because of the way this is a hanging frame, I had this on the back, it wouldn't look quite as right. So anyway, that was just a quick wedding project. is to do that. Of course, do it straight, but you know, do your established date and names, and then that little monogram and whatever you want around it. You don't have to, but I just did a little circle around it. So that was just one playing around in the house, bored in the snow. And you know, she said, "Oh, I still want it." I'm like, "It's crooked." She's like, "I still want it." But anyway, but what I had also had made her too was a couple coffee mugs for them, and that's the Queen's, and that's her name, Jen. And his name is Terrence, but Taz is the nickname. That's Brooklyn Bridge, and it just says established 1/7/18. So again, that's their little coffee mugs. And with the coffee mugs, I made, and these are real easy to make. You just cut the vinyl out and put it there. The thing with vinyl though, on a curve is hard because it's curved. To keep anything straight on vinyl, it's difficult when it's turning, when on the curved surface. Anyway, then got some of these towels. You can get these from any of the big box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, those type of places. Like 16 cents is what I pay for each one of these towels. They're just ceramic towels that you put in your bathroom, backsplash in the kitchen, whatever. So the little felt pads came from the Dollar Tree. But anyway, cut these out, the same images, and then I just put some shellac over it. Where's my shellac? Do I have it with me? The little polyurethane, the little teeny can that comes in the brown can. What's the name of it? Oh, I don't even see it. I moved it. Oh, it's on way across the other side of the room. Anyway, that, let me grab that right quick. This one. You've probably seen that. And just put a coat of that on it very lightly, just so I can make it waterproof. This is his name in Hebrew, not the alliteration name, but just the name Taz. So this is actually from this way. So this is Taz in Hebrew, Ivrit, and this is hers, Chen. So that's Jen. Now, like my name is Dawn, my actual translation of my name would be Shachar, but this is just the spelling of the letters J-E-N, closest to J-E-N, which is Het, Ayin, Nun. But anyway, so that's their names. That's the Queens. That's, they say they're soulmates, and that's their colors, blue and several shades of blue and gray. And then Mr. and Mrs. So they were just some quick little playing around snow day extra additional gifts. And so everybody's having issues getting into her wedding. It's going to be a little crazy. Flights have gotten canceled and rearranged and stuff, but it's going to be fun because we're having a nice bridal shower tomorrow and then the wedding on Sunday. But anyway, I just wanted to do a little quick video just to show you some ideas that can inspire you to do with some vinyl. And I will probably be doing another one of these again, but I really wish it said it came out perfect, but it was fun and kind of neat to make. So anyway, take care, and I thank you for liking and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.